Welcome to Block 7. Today, we'll explore a unique home nestled in the tropical heart of Bali, a house that blends seamlessly with its natural surroundings and local culture, Rumah Haruku House by Bada Studio. More than just a residence, this home is a harmonious embodiment of Indonesian architectural traditions and contemporary, eco-conscious design. Located in Tampaksiring, Bali, this 234 square meter home was designed as a private villa for Tyne and Raisa, along with their two beloved dogs. Their vision was simple yet meaningful, a comfortable home for daily living that could also warmly welcome family and close friends in an open, inviting setting. From the very beginning, the couple expressed their love for timber structures and traditional Indonesian architectural elements. They envisioned a home that felt both warm and minimalist, with a familiar and intimate atmosphere. Their key needs included a shared kitchen, open dining area, flexible family space, outdoor terrace, and a swimming pool with a wooden deck. The site itself played a central role in shaping the design. Perched on a steep slope that descends toward a small river, the land is populated with long-standing mature trees. At the back, open views of rice fields and rows of coconut trees offer an authentic Balinese landscape. This combination of natural features evokes the feeling of a serene rest stop on a journey through the forest. With a design philosophy centered on environmental preservation, Bada Studio made the decision to retain every existing tree. Not only were none of them cut down, but they were thoughtfully integrated into the home's layout. Haruku House appears to grow from the land itself, as if it had always been part of the surrounding nature. To further enrich the ecosystem, various tropical plants were added throughout. The main design inspiration came from the Rumah Panjang of Kalimantan, the traditional longhouse of the Dayak people, typically raised on stilts and designed for communal living. These homes feature social spaces that run along an outer corridor. Haruku House adopts this idea with a more modern and functional approach, preserving the spirit of togetherness. The materials used strongly reflect locality and sustainability. The roof structure employs the traditional Balinese grantong system, supported by bangkurai wood and topped with ironwood shingles. Both are high-quality, durable timbers. These same materials are used for the doors, windows, wooden walls, and floors, creating a consistent visual language and a warm ambience throughout the house. One of the home's most distinctive elements is the use of lontar matting, traditional woven palm leaves commonly used in Balinese ceremonies, as a ceiling finish. This innovative touch enriches the interior with texture and natural tones, introducing a subtle yet authentic cultural reference in an unexpected way. Another standout feature is the family room, which can be fully open to the outdoors. Echoing the social corridor concept of the longhouse, this space is designed to flow into the surrounding landscape. Along its edges, a long wooden bench doubles as a boundary and extra seating during gatherings. This design fosters a deep connection between indoor living and the lush tropical environment outside. In essence, Haruku House is not only visually captivating, it also offers a compelling message about how architecture can coexist with nature, culture, and modern life. It's a home that embraces tradition, respects its environment, and creates space for connection, a true inspiration for anyone dreaming of building their ideal home.